right on then, and today what's the stock on the editor's radar? It's Max Financial Services. Let's discuss this. Lots of triggers, Axis infusing about 1600 crores and valuations as well as at a steep discount compared to peers.
Okay, there's one more trigger, which is that the erstwhile promoter and the pledge holding.
That overhang.
So, Avanne, while fundamentally if one looks at Max and compares the franchise value, it is trading at a discount. But the reason why it's trading at a discount is because the other franchises which are there in the insurance space, they have a bigger commanding premium and the return ratios are better. So the prompt for our viewers here is that Max Financials, yes, it is trading at a discount, but that can be justified. But the trigger and why we have this stock on our radar, because it's a report from Investec, is because of the overhang of the promoter selling. And the promoter pledge is something which in a sense has been this eyesore for the stock, because markets knew that sooner than later the promoters would be selling. Last couple of days I think they've sold about 3.5% stake, and that is an indication that the promoter deleveraging is moving in the right direction. That's part one of the story. Part two of the story, I genuinely feel that insurance should come back. I think insurance is one space where the trends have stabilized, the margins have stabilized, that COVID up and down which happened, that seems to be stable, the budget derating which happened, that seems to be stable. So I will not be surprised in the second half of this year, at a time when banks are underperforming, money actually will start migrating back to, let's say, AMCs and insurance. And within insurance, Max is cheap, there is a trigger in the near term, and given that Axis can give it scale in coming years after the capital infusion, the historical growth rate versus future growth rate, the future growth rate could be better.
All right, future growth rate could be better, and with that, Aisha, I'll hand it right back to you.